They should be over here soon. I don't know what's taking them so long. Hey! I'm texting them. Hey, what's taking you so long?
They got destroyed. Someone find them.
Wait, what? I got a call from headquarters. Let's go to headquarters.
No, you pretend you're calling you here.
Oh my gosh. I hear them getting beat up. We need to go to... I'm going to see what's going on. There's been a deadly Wesker. They could be turning into zombies. We have to go now.
Will they ever survive?
Oh man, this is going to be really creepy. I hate zombies. Walk slowly. They might pop up in the wall.
Guys, you're blocking the view. I'm stuck over here. There we go.
No. Please don't do this. Wait, stay back. There's an antivirus in here somewhere. I'll search around. You're really quick. You can check out if they've been bitten or not. All right. It's green. Boom. Boom, they're injected with it. They should be normal. I really hope if it works.
No, they're still knocked out.
Oh, they're knocked out. Right. We need to take them to headquarters. They're not safe. This is headquarters. These guys aren't safe. Here, take them in. They've been injected with the T-virus, but we injected them with antivirus. So they should be okay. I hope Iron Man and Captain America are going to be okay. They're our best crime-fighting buddies.
Hi, guys.
Whoa! Oh, jeez, you scared me. Oh, I thought you were a zombie. I didn't know that.
Then he fell back.
I didn't know that it would actually work.
No, pretend you see this.
No, whoa.
No, pretend you see these scrapes in their back.
Oh man, there's scrapes in their back. That's zombie bites. Oh man. I hope that antivirus worked. If not, I'll drag you out of here. Yeah? Hello? Our man, Captain America? You alright? He's moving. Oh my gosh. Cindy, pay attention to the camera. Pay attention.
Tony Stank, so hard to look away from. It's so weird. The disease and everything.
Oh man.
Hi, guys.
Oh, we're so glad you woke. Right? Are you okay, guys?
Yeah.
Are you better? You got injected with the T-virus. It turns you into zombies.
Oh.
But we injected you with something else that will cure it. We hope. We don't know if it'll work or not. They never studied it.
Pretend you say, what got you?
What got you?
I think you know that evil dog?
Yeah, Wesker?
Yeah, he did it.
You need to go after him.
Mm-hmm.
If you're still feeling all right.
Yes, I am.
I'll blast you. Let's go in.
Whoa!
Ow! I've seen you made it. Close enough. I've injected your friends.
No, okay.
Hello. I've injected your friends with the T-virus.
No, you haven't.
Spencer. I am Wesker.
Spencer, move.
I am Wesker. Pat. All right. And Captain America. Are you all right?
Yeah.
I had to shoot Black Widow.
Tony Stark!
No! Tony Stark is dead. So is Black Widow. Our best friends are dead. It's all because of Wesker and the T-virus.
Wait.
It's his fault.
Wait, I know how to put these guys back.
Spencer,
Make these guys
your butt's in the way.
I know how to make these guys look good.
Really?
I can do CPR on them.
All right.
Pause.
No, wait, that's not a zombie noise. So, I sound like that when I wake up every morning.
Wait, pause.
Yeah.
Our dad saved someone using CPR is why he said that.
Oh,
Yeah.
He saved somebody. These people are just standing around them, waiting for a dog. What happened?
Ow!
What happened? Bam! Ow! Oh, sorry, Captain America.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were like crazy or you're going nuts. It's alright. I really need to go
No, he
rest.
still has some of the antivirus.
Wow! Antivirus is good.
You guys come up here.
Alright, let's take them back so they can sleep. I really need to rest. I feel terrible. Alright, I should probably rest too. Suit off.
No, pretend those eyes go close.
Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la
Oh no! Tony, stop! Boom, boom, boom! No!
Needs to be over in 30 seconds.
Boom, 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 boom!
She's dead. Here, take her to the doctors now.
We have to take this guy to the doctor's too.
Alright, they're in the agency. We need to go home right now. Just pretend this is all over. Come on, let's go.
Meet our cast.
I was the cast.
Hello.
I'll show you the characters I played.
Hello.
Hello. I played Black Widow at Elsa as Black Widow and Sunny as the Flash. Now let's see who Spencer played.
Wherever Spencer is on this.
Oh,
Look, Emma. Look.
what?
Look.
This was Iron Man. This was Iron Man.
As Tony as Iron Man,
Tony Stank.
as Iron Man, and
Hey, dude, I don't get talk Tony Stank.
and then Antaeus as Captain America. And those were our casts today.
I
Have a
was
good day.
filming. Well, this has to be over in 5 seconds.
Turn it
4,
off. Turn it
3,
off. Turn it off.
2,
Turn it
1.
off.